Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Friday, March 30th. We're seeing some cloudy skies and relatively warm conditions out there, and we do anticipate scattered showers today and should start seeing some rainfall here any minute as we do have a line of some weak showers starting to approach the area. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we have a frontal system over the Appalachian Mountains this morning as with that continued high pressure off the southeast, and that's been continuing to pump in a warmer air mass as well as some more moisture ahead of that front this morning. We should see some southwesterly winds pick up and become a little bit more breezy this afternoon as that front continues to approach and tightens up that pressure gradient a bit. Not seeing winds too bad out there this morning, but we do anticipate them to pick up just a little bit as we go into the late morning hours and afternoon. We are going to be seeing 2 rounds of showers today, some light prefrontal showers this morning ahead of this front, and then we will be seeing a brief break, possibly even a peak of sunshine or two in the early afternoon hours, and then with that frontal passage in the late afternoon is when we'll see another round of showers and a slight chance of even an isolated thunderstorm as that front makes its way on through. Take a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning. You can see some scattered light shower activity across the mid-Atlantic. Not as much shower activity as we were originally thinking for this morning, but still it is looking like it's starting to pick up as this area of convergence approaches the Delmarva. So we can anticipate some shower activity to continue to develop throughout the morning hours this morning. And along with that, we're going to see those southwesterly winds pick up just a little bit. Only running about a 50 to 60% chance of seeing a wind advisory today, as it looks like those winds are going to be just gusting up to and around that 25 knot mark late this morning into this afternoon. So taking a look at our 8 a.m. observation, we did see a scattered mid-level deck near 11,000 feet and then was overcast at 18,000 feet. We were seeing southwesterly winds at azimuth 200 at 10 knots, gusting to around 17 knots with a warm morning temperature for this time of year of 57 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we are going to be seeing those chances of rain mainly before noon, and then we will be seeing a bit of a break and possibly even a little bit of sunshine between about noon and 4 p.m. And then between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. is when we anticipate that frontal passage to move through the area, and we will be seeing another round of some moderate shower activity and that very slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm as that front passes, and then behind that front we'll see those winds turn northwesterly. Like I said, we're just going to be seeing about a 50 to 60% chance of that wind advisory today, with winds just gusting up to around that 25 knot mark, and we will see those gusts to around 25 knots behind the front as well when those winds turn northwesterly. And then throughout the night, those northwesterly winds will slowly be weakening, becoming northnorthwesterly at 4 to 9 knots around sunrise on Saturday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're looking at cloudy skies throughout the day today, mainly in the mid-levels, but we are starting to see some lower-level clouds around 7,000 or 8,000 feet creep into the area, and we will be seeing those ceilings lower to around 4,000 or 5,000 feet if we get into any shower activity. This afternoon, we'll start to see some more lower-level clouds. It's going to be scattered or broken at times around that 4,000 or 5,000 foot level, and then broken at the 25,000 foot level. So could see a little bit of sunshine today, and then as that frontal passage moves through, we'll see those ceilings lower once again with that shower activity to around 3,000 or 4,000 feet. And then as we go into this evening, we'll be seeing those clouds slowly scour out, and then by midnight, we're just going to be seeing a few lingering clouds in the 5,000 foot level and some broken cirrus clouds. But by around sunrise on Saturday, we should just be seeing a few lingering cirrus clouds near 25,000 foot level, possibly even seeing completely clear skies by sunup tomorrow. For the next few days, we are looking at a fairly nice weekend across the area. It is going to be seasonable, or maybe 1 or 2 degrees below average for Saturday tomorrow, as we have high pressure building in behind that front tonight. So that high pressure is going to help really clear up those skies. So we are expecting sunny skies with a seasonable high of 55 degrees with no weather hazards expected. For Saturday night, still looking at a very seasonable night, low of only 40 degrees under partly cloudy skies, as high pressure will remain in control. Then on Sunday, high pressure will shift to the east of the area, giving us a southwesterly flow yet again, helping to warm things up a bit to a slightly above average and then we're going to expecting a high of 62. There is going to be a weakening front approaching the area. This front does look to fizzle out as it approaches the region, so not looking at too much of an impact, maybe just some slightly breezier winds as we get into the morning hours, but not looking like it's going to be wind advisory criteria at this time. But that front is going to be fizzling out, but still enough to increase the cloud cover across the area for Sunday. Can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated afternoon shower if enough convergence remains on that front by the afternoon, but right now it's looking like a dry Sunday with just some more cloudier skies. That'll do it for Daily Operations Weather Brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.